Hedgehog, a deep dive into nature's spiky enigma. We are pleased to welcome you to this in-depth examination of the hedgehog, one of the most cherished creatures in the natural world. In the course of this exhaustive research project, we will investigate the complex biology, behavior, ecology, and life cycle of these adorable creatures. Our goal is to shed insight on the astonishing adaptations that these mammals have developed and the important role that they play in terrestrial ecosystems. The unusual spiky coat of hedgehogs, which acts as a formidable protection system against predators, is one of the distinguishing characteristics of this family of animals, which is known as the Erinaceae. The hedgehog's back and sides are covered by these spines, which are comprised of keratin, and they serve to defend the hedgehog from any potential dangers. For example, hedgehogs have short legs, a pointed nose, and small eyes and ears in addition to their spines. Their bodies are compact, and they have short legs. Both their sense of smell and their sense of hearing are exceptionally acute, and they make use of these abilities to search for food and identify potential threats in their habitat. It is generally accepted that hedgehogs are nocturnal animals, which means that they are more active during the nighttime hours. They are solitary animals that prefer to take up residence in dense foliage, forests, and hedgerows because these are the environments in which they may obtain both food and shelter. As opportunistic omnivores, hedgehogs consume a wide variety of foods, including insects, worms, snails, small vertebrates, fruits, and plants at various times throughout their lives. They are able to locate prey by utilizing their acute sense of smell and hearing, and they frequently forage during the nighttime hours in order to avoid being discovered by predators. When they feel threatened, hedgehogs have the capacity to roll themselves into a tight ball, effectively providing a barrier of spines to defend themselves against potential predators. This is one of the most astonishing habits of hedgehogs. The protective stance that hedgehogs adopt, which is referred to as balling up, provides them with a robust defense against any potential dangers that may arise. To preserve energy, hedgehogs go into a condition of hibernation during the winter months. This allows them to reduce their metabolic rate and body temperature, which allows them to conserve energy. Typically, they will make a nest or burrow in which they would hibernate, and they will line it with leaves, grass, and other types of vegetation in order to offer insulation and heating. Hedgehogs begin their life cycle with courtship and mating, which normally takes place during the spring and early summer months. This is the beginning of the life cycle. The female hedgehog, also known as a sow, will give birth to a litter of hoglets approximately 4 to 6 weeks after mating. This gestation period lasts for approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Hoglets are born without eyes or hair and need their mother for all of their care and feeding. They are fully reliant on her. For a period of several weeks, the mother hedgehog tends to her young until they reach an age where they are able to venture out on their own and begin searching for food that they have found. As the hoglets mature, they go through a phase of rapid development, during which they acquire their adult spines and learn crucial survival skills from their mother. By the time they reach adulthood, hedgehogs have reached a point where they are completely self-sufficient and able to reproduce, thereby perpetuating the cycle of life. As insectivores and seed dispersers, hedgehogs are absolutely necessary to the functioning of terrestrial ecosystems. They contribute to the regulation of insect populations and the preservation of ecological equilibrium. They are also a vital source of food for a wide range of predators, such as foxes, birds of prey, and carnivorous mammals. In spite of the ecological value of hedgehogs, they are threatened with extinction by a variety of factors, such as the destruction of their habitat, the fragmentation of their habitat, pollution, and accidents involving vehicles. The populations of these famous creatures have experienced a considerable drop over the past few decades, which has prompted conservation initiatives to safeguard and preserve them. The human imagination has been captivated by hedgehogs for a very long time, and they are extremely significant cultural symbols in many different communities all over the world. Hedgehogs are frequently portrayed as symbols of wisdom, protection, and persistence in folklore and mythology. These depictions have inspired stories, superstitions, and artistic portrayals of hedgehogs based on their characteristics. Hedgehogs are venerated in some cultures for their solitary and independent personality, but in others, they are associated with good luck and fortune. Hedgehogs are revered in both cultures. Their presence in innumerable works of literature, art, and popular culture has left an indelible impression on the human mind. They have been featured in a wide variety of works. To summarize, hedgehogs are intriguing creatures that possess a wide range of behaviors and adaptations that enable them to thrive in a number of environments. They provide a significant contribution to the richness and diversity of terrestrial ecosystems all over the world by virtue of their biologically exceptional characteristics, intricate behaviors, and ecological roles. We are able to work together to conserve and safeguard these charismatic mammals for the enjoyment of future generations if we have an awareness of and appreciation for the complexity of the biology and ecology of hedgehogs. We are able to safeguard the long-term survival of hedgehogs and the habitats that they inhabit by practicing appropriate management of natural resources and making proactive conservation efforts. This will allow us to preserve their heritage for future generations. Join us as we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of hedgehogs, those enchanting creatures that capture our hearts with their spiky charm and endearing quirks. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of these delightful mammals and gain a deeper understanding of their role in our natural ecosystems. As we delve into the intricate web of life that surrounds hedgehogs, we come to appreciate the vital role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Their presence in our environment serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving biodiversity for future generations. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay connected to the latest discoveries and insights into the captivating world of hedgehogs. Like and share this video to spread awareness and inspire others to join us in advocating for the protection and conservation of these beloved creatures. Together, let's take action to support sustainable practices and conservation efforts in our communities, ensuring a brighter future not only for hedgehogs but for all species that inhabit our planet. Subscribe, like, and share today to make a meaningful difference for wildlife and the world we share.